choosing the right university matters. So why not pick one of the best? That being the University of Southampton Malaysia. Part of the prestigious Russell Group, UoSM is Malaysia's #1 UK branch campus, ranked in the top 100 globally and top 20 in the UK. Arun Prakash, a Bachelor in Computer Science graduate, highlighted UoSM's strong global ranking and UK credibility, instantly made his background stand out and added weight to his qualifications, especially to employers. It's also the top 10 in the UK for engineering and the #1 UK university for computer science in Malaysia. Sounds impressive, right? Here's the good news. It doesn't cost as much as you think. At UoSM, you can save up to 70% on fees and living costs in Malaysia through the 4+0 pathway while still earning the same UK degree. Sounds crazy, right? However, you can still choose the 2+2 pathway and study in the UK, allowing you to gain international exposure and experience. UoSM also makes sure that students are career-ready once they graduate. More than 96% of UoSM graduates begin working or further their studies within 15 months. With world-class facilities, career coaching, industry networking, and real-world projects, UoSM gives students the practical experience needed to succeed in a rapidly evolving world. UoSM, a Master in Mechanical Engineering graduate and former Robotics Club founder, emphasized that UoSM's curriculum is highly holistic, blending theory with hands-on application. For Arun, UoSM has helped him prepare for real-world challenges by giving him constant exposure to practical, hands-on work. UoSM students are now shaping the future at these major companies. Like Arun, who works as a Google Cloud engineer, and Ben, who works as a software engineer at PayNet after completing an internship at Yayasan Khazanah and Dyson. So what are you waiting for? Your future at UoSM is waiting. If you want to learn more about studying at UoSM, check out the link in the description below. Stay tuned for more educational content like this, only on After School.